Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we have a pretty fun activity for you to do. You can either do it by yourself or you can do it with a family member, and I'm pretty excited to show it to you. But first, let's look at our calendar and our date for today. So yesterday was Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. So I'm going to draw a heart shape in for my number 8 because I love you guys and I miss you so much. So today is April 8th. 2020. Now, for today, I am going to have you play a subtraction game, and you can play this game by yourself, or you can play it with a family member. Maybe you have a younger brother or sister at home, or an older brother or sister at home, and maybe they would want to play with you too, and you can totally do that. So I'm gonna have to show you how to do it online on the computer. So I'm gonna have to switch over to another program so I can show you. Alrighty, boys and girls, welcome back. Here is the website we are going to use today. It might look a little familiar to you because of this little logo right here. If you remember, we used to use some timers in our classroom, and this is the website that I used for our timers. But today we're going to use a different part of the website, and we are going to use the dice. So remember, I told you that we were going to be doing some practice with subtraction. So we're going to use these dice to help us subtract. So first, this dice is kind of small, so I think I want to make it a little bit bigger. So how I'm going to make it bigger is I'm going to come down here to this green and red arrow, and I'm going to put use the dice full screen, and I'm going to click it right there. And it shook up one dice for me, and I can see here that this is 6. But I want 2 dice because I'm subtracting, so I need 2 numbers. So I'm going to come right up here to this little gear. Usually on computers or your phone, when you see a gear, that means it's the settings. So we're going to go into here, and sometimes it'll roll the dice again. But if you keep clicking it, it eventually will come to this screen. So this is a slider, and it has 1 through 10 on it. So for us, for today, we are only going to use 2 dice. So you're going to take this slider, and you're going to move it to where the number says dice is number 2. Okay, now whenever we press the gear button again, it's going to go, and it's going to show us 2 dice. Ready? Okay, there we go. There are our first 2 numbers. We have a 3 and we have a 3. So let's record that in our journals. I need my phone. I'm recording a video. So boys and girls, we're going to have to figure out which number is the largest, because when we subtract, the first number is always the largest number. So when I look at 3, and 3, what do you notice about those numbers? Which one is the largest? I think I can feel your thinking, and I think that you know they're the same number. So it doesn't matter what order we put our number in. So we can say 3 minus 3. So boys and girls, I made a quick journal page, and I wrote 3 minus 3 at the top, as well as drawing my 3 hearts. Then you can see here, I knew I needed to subtract 3, so I put 3 X's over the 3 hearts. And then I saw that there were 0 hearts left, so I wrote 3 minus 3 equals 0. And then I continued to do the same thing until I had completed 10 problems. So boys and girls, that's all I have for you today. I hope you have fun with this activity, and I hope that you keep smiling and that you keep learning, and know that I love you so much and I miss you, and you make today great just by being you. All right, so I think we should pretend that we can all put our hands in the middle just like we used to in class at the end of the day. And on the count of 3, we're gonna say, Mrs. Myers class rules. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mrs. Myers class rules. Woo! Bye, you guys. See you later.